心被铺满，有种如干年呢，有我天当着穷。种种根毛，我拉修这呀他人家拉米罗，里边可内嘞哟，Into lamo ngemparang kisika wangche mi pempo no sangue petroso种种根毛，我拉修这呀他人家拉米罗，里当可内嘞哟。
First. Alright, so I want you to take this paper ball, you're going to stand right here. Alright, take this paper ball and make sure, I need you to land. One seat, here's another chair. And you can even have this chair too now. Alright, awesome. So that was pretty tough, right? It's pretty tough to land in there. It's not your fault, it's hard to do. You had great throws, right? So what do you think? Stand over here with me. And right here, stand right here. And you need to hit that spider tank, right? With that paper airplane. So you can do it. Ooh, alright, that was tough. Try again. Alright, let's try it one more time. Let me fix this up. Alright, hold it right there. And hit that spider tank, come on. Ooh, that was close too, that was a good throw. Alright, it went for a while, nice. Alright, thank you. So, what do you think? It was hard to hit that tank, but was that flight? You think so? Who thinks that was flight? Do we think that was flight? Yeah? Alright, so let's think about it. Did we control the takeoff? We did, right? We definitely threw it really well. But did we control landing? No, right? We did not control landing, so that was not flight. But great job, right? So all of these three examples were not flight, and that's because we couldn't control it. It wasn't a remote control plane, it wasn't a remote control.
차트 종종 갈모 나 शोक से याद था
All right, here we go. I need a quick countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Was that cool?